Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Barbera, Autism Mom and Behavior Analyst. This weekly blog is going to be a little different. I usually discuss an autism topic and give ABA techniques and strategies or suggestions for both parents and professionals to help children with autism in some way. But this week I'm going to talk about my recent habit of listening to podcasts to learn and grow both in the autism ABA field as well as in the online marketing world too. I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this, but about a year ago, I didn't even know how to get podcasts to play on my smartphone. I had no idea until I was invited to be a guest on Matt Sikoria's podcast called Behavioral Observations. And in preparation, I listened to a bunch of his other interviews and learned how to download and subscribe to podcasts. Matt is a behavior analyst as well and has many years of awesome experience. And he has a really great podcast that he does on a regular basis. And he has dozens of podcasts now. He even provides type 2 BACB CEUs for a few of the episodes too. I'm featured on episode number 12, and I say things in this podcast interview that I haven't ever discussed. And if you follow my work and want to learn some new things about me, I would check it out. Some ABA topics that I've learned about or I learned more from Matt's podcast include acceptance and commitment therapy, executive functioning, and Dr. Megan Miller presents two great compelling podcasts with Matt on the ethical problems of using escape extinction, which is a procedure that behavior analysts use almost every day. In addition to listening to Matt's podcast on a regular basis, I also listen to several online marketing and motivational podcasts, which are really helping me grow in my online business. I listen to Jeff Walker, who wrote a really great book called Launch, which has helped me launch my online programs. I also listen to Amy Porterfield and Pat Flynn, who is the author of another great book called Will It Fly? So how did I learn how to get podcasts on my smartphone, and how did I learn a lot of different things over the years? So I'm going to give you a tip about how I learn to do things that I don't know how to do. So my best tip for you, whether you want to learn how to download or subscribe to podcasts, whether you want to learn how to use Google Calendar, or even if you want to learn how to get the string back in a hoodie sweatshirt after it comes out in the washing machine, I Google YouTube and the topic I'm interested in. And sure enough, almost without exception, there will be someone who knows how to do this that will provide a short, free video tutorial for you on YouTube. And that's really how I learn how to do these things. When I set my mind to it, I say, okay, I want to switch over from a paper calendar to an electronic calendar. I sit down, watch a couple of video tutorials on YouTube, and make it happen. So I would encourage all of you that are interested in listening to Matt Sikoria's podcast, episode number 12 with me particularly, but all of the podcasts are really great to listen to. Go to behavioralobservations.com, and I'll see you next week.